this module, you will learn about Newton's third law of motion. When a man applies a force on a wall, the wall offers an equal and opposite force. And the outcome of this interaction is that both the man and the wall are at rest. If the force applied is huge, deformation can happen in the wall and it may fall down. In this example, there are two bodies and two forces in this interaction. The question is, can we have only one force in an interaction? Let us try to imagine such a situation. A boxer tries to land a heavy punch on his opponent. The opponent intelligently sidesteps from the line of action of the punch. The punch goes waste. The boxer could not apply the force in the absence of a resistive force opposing it. From these two examples, we can conclude that forces always occur in pairs and always act on two different bodies. Newton put forth these facts in the form of third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion states that to every action there is always an equal and opposite reaction. Newton's use of day-to-day language in defining this law gave rise to some misconceptions. The two terms, action and reaction, seem like two different things. Actually, both represent the same entity, that is, force. The law gives an impression that action comes first and then its reaction. That is, action is the cause and reaction is its effect. Actually, action and reaction come into existence at the same instant. Action and reaction occur on the same body. Actually, action and reaction forces act on different bodies. Mathematically, Newton's third law of motion can be written as shown. Here, F12 is the force applied by body 1 on body 2, and F21 is the force applied by body 2 on body 1. The minus sign indicates the opposite direction. To avoid all these misconceptions, the Newton's third law of motion can be stated in a simple and clear way. Forces always occur in pairs. Force on a body A by body B is equal and opposite to the force on body B by body A. If two bodies A and B exist within a system, then force of A on B and force of B on A become internal forces of the system, and they cancel each other. You have now reached the end of this module. In this module, you learned that Newton's third law of motion states that to every action there is always an equal and opposite reaction. Forces always occur in pairs. Force on a body A by body B is equal and opposite to the force on body B by body A.